Hey beautiful people, my name's Kristen. Thanks for stopping by my channel today for a short story unboxing. Short story is another clothing box subscription. It's $25 fee. I don't think there's any kind of discount for keeping more than one item. It's just you buy things, send them back. Shipping is part of the $25 both ways, so that's not bad. My awesome mother-in-law gave me a really generous birthday gift card to Short Story, and so I bought or ordered a couple boxes, kept a couple things, but they, to be perfectly honest, I wasn't blown away by the box, and I didn't even feel motivated to share it. So I do have just a little bit of credit left. I was going to put the box on hold for a while and wait for the next season, but when I went to cancel the automatic monthly whatever, it was the same day it had already ordered it. So here it is. It's a box. So I thought, okay, well, I'll go ahead and have y'all decide. So their items of clothing aren't super costly for a box subscription. They're usually, $40 to $60 an item. So with my almost 90, I could get a couple. So let's look at the bundles here. We got some really pretty blue and some pretty purple. I don't know if you can see the colors real good. I got a little natural light, but I will get rid of the crinkle because, yeah. Oh, and some brown on top. Okay, and then second bundle, we got some denim and twill in black and a camel. I think there's a dress and like 3 pairs of pants. I kind of saw the little preview, but it's totally different to see the things in person, right? So now that we've gotten rid of the crinkle, let's look. Oh, this is nice and soft. It's by Dreamers, which I have definitely liked that brand. I got quite a bit of Dreamers, I think, from Trunk Club back when I did that. But it's a flesh, beautiful, or my flesh anyway. It might wash me out because it's so similar, but I think it's complimentary. And I do like the V-neck. So it is a sweater. So, oh, but look how good it goes with these pants. These are really pretty. Do you see that? It's got just a little bit of that color in it. So that will be a very striking outfit. Let me see what these pants, yes, there's pockets in the back, but it's like a gathered stretch as opposed to zippers. And then it looks straight-legged and just normal finish hem. But they look really comfortable. I mean, that'd be a cute outfit. That's a cute outfit. I'm not sure in Texas weather how much longer it's going to be warm. I don't know who the pants are by either. I didn't look at the tag. It's called Petite Principle. So Short Story, I didn't do a good job saying it's for women 5'4" or under. But if you're not that height, thanks for stopping by and just looking at clothes, because it's always fun to clothes shop. So this is Kaya. It's a really nice stretchy short sleeved black dress. It looks like it's a nice full A-line. So, I mean, can't go wrong with a basic black dress, especially if it's a nice conservative one that you could wear to work. Then this pair of jeans, super stretchy, button fly, regular pockets by 1822. And, oh, that's cute. It's got a front slit. That's a little front slit with a dramatic kick, but they look long. For a petite box, those look long. I'm 5'2". And then what do we got here? Oh my. This is Thread and Supply, and it's another kind of camel boat neck, but the back is one of those open crisscross that I don't know about you, but I don't care for that. I'm always feeling like either, you can't see it very well. So it's like, what if you're like, I don't know. And it's a sweater, so if I wear a bunch of layers under it. This sweater feels really soft and comfortable, but also a little on the warm side, although this one's very warm too. I'm almost too warm today. It's at that breaking point where it's January, but here in Texas, it's gonna be spring any day. So this is also Thread and Supply. It's super soft. It's kind of got a little fuzz ribbing, and it's a cardigan. So I really love that color. I really love that kind of, it's predominantly purple, but it's got a lot of blues and pinks, kind of almost confetti thread yarn running through it. And then lastly, Common Threads is the name of this company, with a V-neck and a beautiful aqua color. And it feels like a pretty heavy, and it looks like it's a full-length tunic, so you could wear this with leggings. Yeah, so I don't know if there's anything super unique, but it's a beautiful color, and we will give it a go. To start, I have the Thread and Supply Desiree Twist Top in Mocha. It's $48. This is a large, so they said it runs small, and I think it fits just fine. I like the length of the sleeves. I like the color. Ooh, it got a little hanger thing that I cut off whenever I buy clothes like that. The length is, right at the waistband. The back is that twist thing that kind of looks a little bunchy, but for that kind of style, I don't think this one's the worst I've seen. I do really actually like the lightweightness of it. The thickness and the texture of it, I really like. The color, not so much on me. The jeans are 18-22, 30-inch Better Butter high-rise flare with forward slit. It's a long title, but it's a good description of it. So it has a actual button, zipper, pockets, actual pockets in the back. The length on them are too long for me to wear flats. I did put on a little mule heel with it. This would have to be the way I would wear it. Plus you kind of want to show off your booties or your heels. So it's cute. It's very comfortable. I think it fits well, but I don't know that I'm feeling like it's me. Either of these pieces could work for somebody, but I'm not feeling them for me right off the bat. But let's try on some more things and see what we think. Next up, the Common Threads Lilad V-neck long tunic sweater in teal, $48. It's fine. I like it. The sleeves are very wide. They're permanently sewn cuffed, but they are cuffed at a point that I think is a good length for them. It is tunic, so it comes down fairly low and a little bit even lower in the back. Comfortably covers your rear end. It's very loose fitting through the midsection, so it's very comfortable. And if you were someplace where it was chilly, this is a nice kind of snuggle, be comfortable and warm and toasty when it's chilly out. And the color is beautiful. This one is the Thread and Supply Melrose Ribbed Cardigan in indigo purple. It's $64, and this is a definite possibility, I think. I love, again, the coloring in this, the ribbing. I love where it hits on my hands. I like the little buttons. I do think if it's buttoned, all the way up, you could even wear it just with a bralette or, the simple sports bra underneath and just keep it buttoned up to be your sweater shirt. I think the length is good on that. So the only thing is I did keep the bright raspberry cardigan from Stitch Fix, and it kind of has a similar feel and vibe. So I'll show you in the wrap up, and we can, once we've tried on everything, and see what we think. This is the Kai Ponte Soft Dress Symphony Dress It is $64. It has a square neck, which is lovely. It has full sleeves, gonna, cover up your arm, top of your arm for you. It is fitted with a seam above the natural waist. My natural waist is here, and then it comes out a bit to kind of form that more A-line. It does have pockets. It's fairly flowy. It would be a good travel dress to pack and go. So we can check our wardrobe, see what's about, but a lovely, comfortable, possible dress. Here is the super soft Dreamers top. It's called the Melodora Fitted V-Neck in Heather Sepia, and it is $54. It is cuffed and ribbed at the cuff. I really, really, really love this color. Not sure that I love the color on me. If I was standing a little bit away, would you double take and go, that woman doesn't have a top on? But it is a very nice blend with these pants. So the pants are the Ritz plaid pant by Petite Principle in gray pink, $68. So let me show you. It's just a gathered waistband, has sewn pockets. I think you could seam rip them and there's an actual pocket. There are pockets in the front. I can walk back so you can see the length. They're slightly above the ankle, natural ankle. So I do think this is a really cute outfit. Again, I'm just not sure it's the outfit for me. So let us gather together and do a quick little recap. So a little disheveled from trying on, but who cares? So to recap, there's this beautiful blue tunic, and ironically the twist back sweater that I was like kind of the most critical of coming out of the box, the texture and the weight of this is my favorite texture and weight, but not enough to keep a twist back. These pants are a super cute, fun plaid. I do own a lot of plaid. I have 4 pairs of plaid, but it goes really nicely with this sweater, which I'm on the fence about for the color, and it is a sweater, so it's warm. These split pants are super fun, and honestly, if these were an inch shorter so that I could wear them with cute fashion tennis shoes, I would probably consider keeping them because they are insanely comfortable, y'all. Insanely comfortable. And the dark wash and no distressing means I could have even worn them to work, but wearing them with heels and all that, I'm not thinking that's a go for me. But maybe because I have a lot of date night tops, so that would be the only consideration on those. The black knit dress, I do actually have a long sleeve black knit dress, and I have 2 kind of summer, one with like a tank and then one with like just a spaghetti strap black. So I really feel like, this is not a strong need of my wardrobe, but again, it's functional. You can let me know what you thought about it. This awesome cardigan, I'm pretty sure this is the one I want to keep. This is the one that I'm feeling the most drawn to. I love the color. I told y'all I would show you the one that I kept from my Stitch Fix box, and it's this color. So very similar, and actually having been in Texas, I've actually picked this up quite a number of times. I really love it. I think these are distinctly 2 colors, and technically they're different. Sorry about the sun. You can see the different texture though. This one has a really fun kind of scallopy, and this one's the striped larger rib. So I'm really thinking this is the one my mother-in-law is going to buy me. So I also got a pair of denim that were totally just dark wash, no distressing, fit me well, could wear to work, and a pair of chocolate dress pants that were really stylish, could wear them to church and work, and just chocolate brown. And those were a little pricey. And then I did also, just fell on the floor, but I did get this sweatshirt as well. I kept this with my gift card. So it's got kind of the cowl drawstring, but then look at the sleeves. They're super funsy, right? So it's just a little bit different. It has a little fashion pocket on the front, and then it's a really comfortable loose fit on the bottom. Not a full tunic though, just to the hip. And I think it's a nice coloring with my gray hair. So I went ahead and kept this. I didn't need it, but it's different and it was fun, and I had birthday money. So those two pairs of pants, this and this cardigan. That's what you're getting me, Mom. Thank you. However, having said that, not her money, but I paid in a styling fee, so there actually could be a slight amount of money, not for an entire other piece, but a slight amount of money if there was something else that I ended up really thinking about or wanting to add to my wardrobe, or that I wake up thinking to myself that I would regret if I send it back. So having said that, go ahead and leave me a comment. I will post this right away because you get like 5 days to decide. Leave a comment if you think there's any of these other pieces that I should consider keeping. And, you know, if you want to check it out, I'm not sure there's a referral link program in this box, but I will at least leave the website link below if you would like to check out Short Story if you are 5'4" and under and want to give it a go. I do think they did a good job of giving me a wide variety, of giving me great colors, of giving me a variety of textures. The brands are nice. So, you know, it's worth checking into. I hope that you have a lovely day. Thank you for stopping by, like and subscribe, and I will see y'all again soon. Take care.